love that.
Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about today's video. I have seen tons of videos about this company reviewing their product from fellow YouTube friends of mine here on YouTube, as well as many other people as well. And I've looked into purchasing a product from this company, so when they reached out to me to review one of their products, I was really excited. I got my package here. I have not opened it yet. I was specifically saving opening it for this video so you guys can get my actual reaction, and I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit more about the product, the company itself, customer service, because you guys know I'm big on that stuff, and all of that stuff. So if you're interested in glasses, stay tuned and continue watching this video. All right, so as I said, I have the package here. Hasn't been opened as of yet. Yeah. All right, so first off, the company reached out to me. They asked me to review one of their glasses. I said sure, because like I said, I looked into getting one of my own glasses from them, so I was really excited to review them. Now, when I ordered my package, you know, you go online, you select the glasses that you want. It's really simple. The website is really easy to follow. You go, you pick out the glasses that you want, and then it gives you the option to do specifics. So I don't know if you guys knew this about me, but I actually do wear prescription glasses. Yes, I'm sort of blind. And I never wear my glasses because I hate the frames that they offered to me for my glasses. I never seen a pair of glasses that I was like, oh my gosh, I just have to have these. So, you know, I just chose not to wear them because they make me look old, you know what I'm saying? And they're not really cute or anything like that. So I steer away from those, but I do love sunglasses and shades in general. I feel like that's a part of an accessory that you always need. So the good thing about Firmoo, which is the company that sent me these frames to review, they offer to make any of the glasses on their site into prescription glasses. So if you wear glasses, or if you wear glasses and you're struggling with finding a pair, try going onto Firmoo and seeing what they have to offer. Their glasses, many of them come in many different colors. It's not just one specific color. So if you like blue, they have blue glasses. Pink, they have pink glasses. Whatever type of glasses you're looking for, believe me, they have it. And their styles for frames and stuff like that change daily. What else did I want to let you guys know? The first thing I want to say is, again, back to when I ordered the glasses. When I ordered them and everything went through and it said that they was coming and it was coming on its way, I was like, all right, cool. One morning I woke up and I got an email saying your package failed to deliver. Now, I got this email before I even got any notification from the post office or anything like that. So y'all know me and my customer service issues with past companies suck. This, I was so like, yo, they messaged me. They were like, did you pick it up? They let me know how much longer I had at the post office to pick it up before it was sent back, all that type of stuff. And I've never had a customer experience like that ever. Like, kudos to you, Firmoo. Thank you so much, because you know, you get busy, and when you miss a package, you know, you only get a certain number of time before you, or a certain number of days before you can pick it up before it's sent back. If you forget about it, they just send it back, but they actually stayed on top of me to remind me like, hey, you know, whatever. So I really appreciated that. Yeah, so let's just jump on right into it. I'm really excited about the glasses that I ordered because, yeah. So let's open it, Ross. Okay, so it comes in this little pouch like this, and then let's open this one. Ooh. Okay, so it comes in its own little glasses bag. You know, I guess you can keep your glasses in here. And it says Firmoo on it. And it says styles update every day, no more than $39, you guys. No more than $39. None of the glasses on their website cost more than $39. I think that's pretty darn amazing. You can go on some websites and see glasses for $100 and something, and I'll just be like, y'all, I'm cheap. Y'all know I'm cheap. Y'all know your girl is cheap. Ain't nobody got time to be spending no money on no glasses. $100? You know how much grocery? Yo, anybody got time for that? Y'all know me, I'm cheap. I'll be in the clearance section all day, every day. Sales, holla. Yeah, that's me. So yeah, Oh, these are for like, this came in it as well. I think this is like one of those screw, what? Yo, you know when the screws come out of your glasses and you need to screw them back? Firmoo, this is lit. This is lit, and it comes with mini screws in there as well. Nah. And it comes with the nose sitting, you know the sitting with sit on your nose? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you. What? No, I don't get A++ just for this little package right here. So I don't get A++ for this little package here. Yeah. Oh my god, I love the glasses case. It's like, oh my god. It's a map. I love this. This is lit. I love this. Did y'all know I like to travel? Shoot. I love this. Oklahoma, Washington, and Firmoo shop. Wait, Firmoo Global Online Optical Store is engraved in it. You guys probably can't see it, but it's there. Anyways, let's open it. So excited! I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the glasses. I'm so excited. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Before I even put them on, let's just talk about the quality. All right, now you know it's some sunglasses when you bend them like them bend. This, it's pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's not really like a bendable kind of, you know, sometimes like they bend out of shape and stuff. I don't feel like I'm gonna really have this issue with these glasses. Ooh, these are so pretty. They're pink. I'm gonna try to find out which style it is that I got. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, a link to the exact ones that I got. And these ones came in I think three or four different colors. I believe it came in green, blue, clear, and the pink, if I'm not mistaken. But I know it came with the clear for sure. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. Wait. Oh my god, I love them! Are you guys ready to see them? How do I look? Do you guys love them? Thumbs up the video if you guys love these glasses. Oh, nuh-uh. I'm so ready for summer. No, you guys. I'm going on the website and I'm ordering the clear and the other glass. Yo, I couldn't even choose between a pair of glasses. That's how me I tell them I love the website. So tell, I couldn't even choose between which glass me want from which glass me don't want. No, you guys, I'm mad feeling myself right now. Like I legit love these glasses. Can you imagine me getting these in prescription? Who could talk to me? No, what I'm gonna need you guys to do. Firmoo is having a buy one, get one sale right now. What I'm gonna need you guys to do is click the link in the description box below. Head over to Firmoo and order your guys self a pair of glasses. You hear what I say? Go to the description box. Click the link in the description box. Go to the website and order yourself 2 pair of glasses. Order one for yourself, one for your friend, one for your man, one for your pitney, one for whomever you want. Or order just 2 for yourself. Or order one for me and send it. Come give me you know the address. Yeah? Oh my, no, you guys, I love these. Oh my gosh. Go over to the website and order the glasses. No glasses on the site is more than $39. Customer service, if you guys have any questions, they are so prompt with answering your emails or questions or anything like that. I'm telling you guys will not be disappointed. You're not disappointed. Yeah, if me tell you say everything up, you know, so it's up. So I'm going over this and get some up glasses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and honestly you guys, I really love my glasses. I don't know, I'm gonna go take like 101 selfies right now, but you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing your own glasses from Firmoo, click the link in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Ha ha ha!